Hello friends, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how you can use app lock on your Itel A200 device. Just follow the instructions, run this video carefully to secure your apps on your phone. If you find this guide helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Now without any delay, let's get started.